Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Okay. So today I'm going to be doing Surat Haqqa, ayat number 46 to 52, and today inshallah I'll be completing the surah. So let's get started. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. So this ayat 46 is basically the continuation of the previous two ayahs, in which Allah said that had this messenger made up something in our name, in the name of Allah, or written down something in the Quran that was not there, then what would have happened, that we would have certainly seized him by his right hand. And then today's ayah is ayah number 46, which says that summa lakatana minhul watin, and then severed his aorta. And then ayat number 47 is fama minkum min ahadin anhu hajizin, and none of you would have shielded him from us. So this is basically a way of warning the people of Makkah, who are basically saying that this Quran is not it's not divine, and Prophet ﷺ has written it, or somebody has helped him in creating this word. So Allah is telling them the seriousness of this, that this messenger, he does not say anything from his own will. It is from Allah that this word has come, and he's just conveying it. And the next ayah is ayat number 48, which says wa innahu latazkiratul lil muttaqin. It means that none of you will have no, indeed this Quran is a reminder to those mindful of Allah. So only those who have taqwa, they will get a reminder from it, they will get hidayat from it. Zalikal kitabu la raiba fi hudal lil muttaqin. So only the people who fear Allah and who have taqwa of Allah will get guidance from it, although it is a universal guidance for everyone, but those who are looking for guidance will actually get from it. The ayat number 49 is wa inna lana'lamu anna minkum mukazzibin. It's mukazzibin, yes. So it means that and we certainly know some of you will persist in denial. So even though they realize, some people, that this is the true word, and of course those people, they were very rich in their language, and they understood that this was no ordinary kalam, but still, even understanding that, they are in denial because of their arrogance. Ayat number 50 is wa innahu lahasratun alal kafirin. It means that, and it will surely be a source of regret, a source of hasra for the disbelievers. So on judgment day, when they will see the punishment in front of their eyes, it will be a great regret for them, that why did they not listen to the messenger, why did they not believe that this Quran was the actually divine, and the warnings were true. The ayat number 51 is wa innahu lahaqqul yaqeen. It means that, and indeed this Quran is absolute truth. It is haq. There is no doubt in it. It is the true word from Allah, and there is no nothing. There is not a single letter that is wrong in it. Then the last ayah for this surah is fasabbih bismi rabbikal azim, subhanallahi wa bihamdihi, subhanallahil azim. So glorify the name of your Lord, the greatest. So with this, alhamdulillah, Suratul Haqqa is complete. Inshallah on Monday we will start the next surah, which is Suratul Ma'arij. Fi amanallah.